In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Penpot to PDF. We'll be walking through the full process inside Penpot, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. If you've finished a design and want a clean PDF version to share, review, or save, this is the option you'll use. To get started, head over to your Penpot Projects area. This is where your recent files and saved design work are organized. So once you're there, you'll be ready to open the file you want to export. Next, find the design file you want to work with and double-click to open it. Give it a second to load into the workspace. You'll want to make sure you're in the correct file before exporting, especially if you have multiple projects that look similar. Once the file is open, look for the three-dot menu. This is where Penpot places some additional actions and settings that aren't shown directly on the main toolbar. Click those three dots to open the menu. From there, click on File. This will open the file-related options for the project you currently have open. If you're following along for the first time, just move slowly through this menu so you don't miss the export option. In the File menu, click Export Boards as PDF. This tells Penpot that you want to turn the boards in your design into a PDF document. It's a useful format for presentations, handoff, documentation, or simply keeping a portable version of your design. After that, click Export. Penpot will begin generating the PDF for you. Depending on your browser and settings, the file may download automatically, or you may be prompted to choose where to save it. And that's it. That's how to export a Penpot file to PDF. Once the download finishes, open the PDF and quickly review it to make sure everything exported the way you expected.